how to clear cache on Instagram. So the first thing that you would need to do is to go into the settings of your phone. So the first thing that we'll be doing is on iOS, and later on I will explain how you can do it on Android. So in here, you just need to go into your settings, and from here you just need to tap on the general tab right here. So tap on that, and from here tap on iPhone storage. And from here, you just need to find the Instagram app. So in my case, it's right here. So I'm gonna tap on it. And then once you're here, you just simply need to tap on offload app and then tap on offload app again right here. But in my case, I will not be proceeding so that my data will not be reset because you might need to log in again if you decided to offload the app. And then after that, you would need to tap on the reinstall app button, which is also right here. So once you're done with that, then you have successfully cleared the cache for your Instagram. All you have to do now is to just log back in. And now, if you're in Android, it's basically the same process. Just go into your settings and then find the Instagram app from there on the list of apps. And from there, you would have the clear cache option instead of offload app. And yeah, you just need to tap on the clear cache button or option, and then that's it. You have now successfully cleared cache on Instagram.